Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account with Nandocas. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in hr.nandocas.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official HR login portal for Nandocas. Now within the sign in section, you can type in your credentials. So type in the username that you have been given or the one that you have set within the username box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your HR account with Nandocas right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on forgot your password alongside and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account on Nandocas. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.